Okay, it's time for me to grow this turmeric here. I have my grow bags filled with soil. And I have 3 turmerics that I'm going to plant in each one of these grow bags. I think we probably won't see a harvest from this until maybe November. It takes a long time for the turmeric to grow. I have my ginger already growing, and I have some of the ginger that's starting to come up. Let's see how long it's going to take for this turmeric to come up. Okay, turmeric. Let's put you under the dirt. Look at you. Look at you. Under the dirt you go. Cover you up. Under the dirt you go. Cover you up. Everybody get under the dirt. Okay. I'll put some straw on top of each one of you. Help keep the moisture in on you guys. Got these grow bags. You have to keep constantly watering them because they grow out, they dry out fast. Okay, everybody under the dirt. Okay, turmeric. Start growing for us. Turmeric, what they call them, rhizomes. Put them under the dirt. Now let's wait and watch them grow. Okay, I have my turmeric all ready to go outside. Place the straw over it. Help keep the moisture in. Now I'm getting ready to go place them in shaded area in the yard, right next to where my ginger is, and watch them grow. Enjoy the outside. Okay, I have my turmeric and my ginger next to each other. Look at my ginger already sprouting up. Got some leaves coming out on it. Okay, turmeric, you gotta catch up. Enjoy y'all shaded area.